Hello, my name's Deborah Fernshaw and I'm from the Connected Everything Network. Today I'm going to talk about a small grant programme and a summer skills building programme which we've developed with efutures specifically for early career researchers. So to talk about the small grants programme first, Connected Everything and efutures is looking to fund a number of small projects with a specific focus on enabling digital manufacturing technologies to evolve. We're really keen to fund as many high quality applications as possible, and we will fund at least 4 projects up to a maximum value of £7,500 at full economic cost. We can only award funding at 80%, so therefore the actual money you'll get is £6,000. Please note that the remaining 20% can be through things like salary costs of the PI or other researchers working on the project. We're expecting that projects will be between 2 and 4 months long, and all projects must complete before the 18th of March next year. Items of expenditure which can be included in the project could be consumables, equipment, software, travel, event expenses. Please note that we cannot fund researcher time. As some of the money for this programme is coming from Connected Everything, it would be advantageous if applications reflect one of the Connected Everything 7 themes. I'll explain these on the next slide. Also note that only EPSRC eligible organisations can apply for funding and industry cannot be directly funded. So just to quickly reference the Connected Everything 7 thematic areas. These areas, ideally, if you can include these in your application, that would be great. But if you can't, then please make sure that your application does resonate with the main theme, which is about helping digital manufacturing to evolve. If you'd like more information about these thematic areas, please go to the Connected Everything website. In terms of the other selection criteria for this programme, these are the points that the review panel will be using when looking at each of the proposals. We're looking for the teams to be led by an early career researcher and for the teams to be multidisciplinary or possibly come from various institutions, multiple institutions. We're looking for the transfer of concepts from other domains to manufacturing. It would also be great if your project could indicate how it might lead to future funding applications. And also, it would be useful to know how there could be opportunities for future collaboration with industry. As mentioned, the core purpose of this theme, of this funding, is about enabling digital manufacturing technologies to evolve, and if at all possible, linked to one of the Connected Everything themes. Part of this grant programme, there is also a skills building programme, and during the proposal process we'll be looking for evidence of your participation in the skills building programme. So the skills building programme is now well underway. We've already had 3 events as part of this. We've had an ideation workshop, a careers insights talk by Sarah Sharples, and also how to develop your research elevator pitch. Still to come, we have a working with industry workshop on the 15th of July and also a writing workshop on the 4th of August. We really hope that that writing workshop will be a really practical opportunity for you to start getting your ideas down on paper about the exact project that you want to apply for funding for. To register for these events and also to see the full core document and application form, please scan this QR code now and it'll take you right through to the correct webpage. Just as a little bit of background about this programme, we have actually developed this collaboratively with early career researchers. Back in May, we asked early career researchers to tell us what they would find useful and how they would use this funding. And we've taken that feedback and put it directly into the core document. So examples of projects that could be funded would be transfer of concepts from other domains to manufacturing, collaborations with industry. Perhaps you've got a demonstrator that you'd like to actually test and get some feedback on, proof or disproof of concept work, workshops exploring solutions with industry, computational simulation development. Perhaps there's some software you need to buy, or perhaps you just need to buy some time on some specialist equipment in your own university. Any of these ideas would be great, and these are just some examples of the discussions that we had back in May. So to summarise, the timetable for this programme is that the skills building programme will continue through to August, and you still have a chance to participate in some of those workshops. The deadline for submitting your grant proposal is 5 p.m. on September the 6th. We're really hoping to achieve quite a quick turnaround of decisions of the applications that receive, so funded work can start on the 1st of November. Projects will need to complete by the 18th of March next year, and this will allow plenty of time for Connected Everything and efutures to demonstrate what you've achieved with your project during our conferences and events next summer. We really look forward to receiving your application. If you have any further questions, please do contact me by email. My contact details, as well as contact details for efutures, are available on the core documents, which you can download. Thank you for your time listening to this, and we look forward to receiving your application in September.